Hi everyone, and welcome to Dodo Bird Drawing. It's me, Joseph. So, today will be the first video of the drawings of the field guides on my other channel with music in the background instead of direct commentary. The reason for it being sooner than I initially expected it to be was because I may or may not have forgotten to record the entirety of the passenger pigeon I drew. And so I just kind of need to decide if I want to release it without showing the drawing, which would feel weird for the last one of that type, at least for a while, or if it'd be better to restart it. I don't know. That's why I'm giving myself these 2 weeks to think about it. And also, I will take your opinion into account if you leave a comment about it in the description of the video. Anyway, because the rest of the video is just going to be the drawing with music behind it, I'm going to do the normal outro, I guess you could say, now. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy what you see. And yeah, I hope you all enjoy the drawing of Dodo Bird for my field guide. I'll see you all soon. Have a great day, and enjoy the video.